Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about lose that punch in just 10 days. So if you like the video related to Turtle Hill, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Lose that punch in just 10 days. Courtesy or party hopping and binge eating sprees in the last couple of months. Thanks to the festive season, almost all of us are battling with that unwanted bulge. In fact, fitting into our old dresses and slim fit jeans is almost like a challenge. But do not worry about it. Here are some simple tips which if followed properly could help you get rid of your punch in just 10 days. Drink lots of water. Water is essential for our system as around 70% of our body constitutes water. However, too much of anything does not work. So have around 2.5 to 3.5 liters of water every day. And make sure you avoid drinking cold water. Normal or lukewarm water will help you stay slimmer. Water flushes out toxins and hydrates the system. If you don't like water, sip on herbal and green tea. So then you can this is a delicious way to include antioxidant in your diet. It can work wonders for your immune and digestive system. So cut down on carb. Many believe that going on a zero carb diet will help in a miraculous way, while one should cut down on it for a quick result. The no carb way is a strict no. So it contributes 65 to 70% of the total calorie intake in a day. One can only improve stamina if one includes carb in every meal every day. Weight loss will also follow suit when the body is fueled optimally to be able to burn fat. Now, increase protein intake. Half baked chicken or fish with steamed vegetable for lunch and dinner. Skimmed milk and milk products work too. Having a protein rich diet make you feel full for longer. Make sure you include egg whites in your breakfast. Have small portion and ensure that you have at least 5 to 6 meals. Now stay away from the fad diets. Crash diets can be extremely harmful, so stay away from them completely. Now, eat slowly. Eat slowly and stop eating when you are about 70 to 80% full. Do not overeat. Eating fast and gulping down food result eating much more than our body needs. Walk and then walk some more. Go for a 45-minute brisk walk in the morning and evening. Wear clothes that you are not too tight and comfortable shoes that are meant for walking. Start with a 30-minute walk and extend it to 45 minutes or 1 hour. Do this for 10 days without fail. Crunches can save your day. Don't have time for the gym? Just do some warm-up exercise and then target your punch. Do crunches, see box. Do this every day, twice a day if possible. After all, you want to lose that punch in 10 days, don't you? Throughout the day, whether you are sitting or walking around, make sure that you pull in your stomach and keep your back straight. Take up de-stressing activity. Stress and depression can lead to a lot of unwarranted emotional eating. So de-stress, take up a favorite activity, do some meditation, read a book, watch some romantic comedies, play with your dog, or take up a yoga or a dance class. Now stay away from temptation. Every time you almost give up and reach for a chocolate bar. Remind yourself what you really want. Looking hot and sexy, LBD, or being flabby and fat and hiding inside a loose, ill-fitted outfit, and behave accordingly. Now, basic crunches. Lie down on your exercise mat, bend your knees and keep it parallel to the floor. Now, put your hands behind your head and exhale and lift up your shoulder blades off the floor while you contract your stomach and reach for your knees. Get more out of crunches. Do bicycle crunches, paddle each of your legs in the air while you do the crunches. Ban the following completely for the next 10 days. Red meat, sweet, canned food, junk food like burger, pizza, pasta, etc. Cold, aerated drinks, canned juice, all kind of outside food. Avoid overeating. Now, sleep on time. Weight loss and your quality of sleep are closely linked with each other. Studies suggest that lack of sleep at night can contribute to weight gain. Poor sleep quality can increase your craving for unhealthy food items and may increase your daily calorie intake. This can make you gain weight. Now, add fiber to your diet. Add more healthy sources of carb to your diet. Carb contain fiber that bulk up your stool and improve your digestive health. Fiber also make you feel fuller for a long time, preventing you from munching unhealthy food. Fruit, vegetable, legumes are some healthy sources of fiber. Lift weight. Apart from performing cardio exercise, lifts some weight. Contrary to popular belief, lifting weight can help you burn more calories than performing cardio at rest. So that's all about the fitness in this video. I hope you all liked it. So I will definitely come with the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.